These are the ultimate science and learning activities that you're gonna wanna definitely consider for your wish list. Hey, you guys, it's Christina from the Purple Alphabet, and today is our very last giveaway, and it is sponsored by Top Secret Toys. All through the month of November, I've been showing you holiday gift guides, and we will be announcing all of the winners at the end. But before we do that, I wanted to do one last giveaway where you'll get to pick whichever one that you like best if you should win. Let me show you what these are all about. I have two different styles of this one. It's the Dissected Synthetic Dissection Kit, recommended for ages 6 and up. This first one I have is the Frog Super Lab, and then this one is the Rattlesnake Super Lab. I'm going to look at this one first, the Frog Super Lab, recommended for ages 6 and up. So this one includes the frog, and you can see right through it to all of the different body parts and organs inside of there. You get some tweezers, a scalpel, and a probe. These are 2 powder refill packets. This is your dissection table, and then you'll be using the plastic packaging to go over it, and this is where you're going to place all of your different pieces from your dissection. Then we have a label sticker sheet. So this has all the body parts so you can label all of the things that you've dissected, and then it also comes with a magnifying glass and then a full manual. So for this, you just put all of your dissection labels onto your dissection table so you know where all your parts are going to go, and your frog is ready to dissect right out of the box. Definitely keep the mold that the frog comes in, because this is what you'll use so that you can redo it over again if you wish. There is a section in here that tells you how to do your very first cut and how to dissect, and then it walks you through all of the anatomy pieces. So there's a lot of educational benefit in here. Talk about the skin over here, the skeleton over here, the heart, and it labels all the different parts of each section: liver, lungs, stomach, intestinal tract, so on. And then you can pull all the parts out of the frog and place them on your dissection table to examine them further. If you want to do this over again, it shows you how to put it back together here and how to assemble the frog, and you're going to put it back into the mold with the dissection powder to redo it. So you can redo it up to 2 times, not just once, which is pretty cool. Then in here too, there is a whole section about frog facts, amphibians, all kinds of informative things to complete your study. And there's even a quiz here if you wanted to use that. So this is the frog. Let me show you the snake. We have our snake here, and then our dissection table, and then our piece to go on top of the dissection table to hold all of our parts. You're also going to get the magnifier down here. We have a probe and a scalpel and some tweezers. This one also comes with the 2 packages of dissected powder so you can do your refills. And then of course the instruction booklet, and it does the same things as the frog, where it shows you how to put it back together. And then it talks about all the different parts: skin, skeleton, tongue, nose, brain, eyes, heart, and it goes through everything. And then it shows you how to remold it. This one has a quiz and a page for notes, for note taking as you look through and observe all of your snake body parts. This one, you're going to be dissecting 35 organs and skeletal structures, and there's even a skeleton in the stomach of the snake. The skeleton inside the snake is a mystery skeleton, so you're going to get one of 3. It could be a salamander, a mouse, or even a bird. So you get like an extra mystery one in here. Next, I have these 2 Discover kits. These are recommended for ages 6 and up. I have a Bigfoot dig and a dinosaur dig. I'm going to open the dinosaur dig one first. This one says you're going to uncover one of 3 complete skeletons. So you're going to get these sheets that could be one of the dinosaurs that you reveal, and it has all the different parts on here. So as you find them inside your dinosaur, you can add those bones to your mats. You also get a excavation guide, the work table, and then there's tools in here too for excavating all the parts out, digging out the bones. And then once you dig them out, you can assemble them, and they're going to make one of those 3 skeletons. There's about 12 to 16 pieces to assemble on this one. The activity book's going to walk you through the different types of dinosaurs and some facts about them, including the pieces that you might find inside your dinosaur dig. The Bigfoot dig is also for ages 6 and up. This one's cool because a lot of times in these dig it kits, you're going to find a lot of dusty kind of excavations. This one is not going to have any dirt or dust. So it's a nice compound that's a little bit cleaner to work with. And you're going to be uncovering a complete Bigfoot skeleton. So we have the mat here that has all of the body parts that you could find inside. There's going to be 21 pieces inside of here. You're going to get this work table plus the excavation tools. There's 2 in here. And then you're going to assemble them into a full Bigfoot skeleton. The excavation guide has some of the information about how to do everything, including the skeleton and how to assemble it when you're done. And all the body parts are in there too. And there's a little quiz in the back. For the giveaway details, first of all, make sure you're subscribed to the Purple Alphabet YouTube channel. Then head to the giveaway link in the description box to officially enter to win. You must be 18 years of age or older and have a US postal address. And if you win, you get to pick whichever one of these that I showed you in the video that you would like. Let me know in the comments which one was your favorite too. I'd love to hear that. I owe you a whole bunch of giveaway winners from this entire month. So if you see your name up here on screen, make sure to email me within 24 hours to claim your prize. Email address is in the description box. If you didn't win on this giveaway, don't worry. I have some more surprises coming in the next few weeks. So be sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on any of those. And I will see you guys in the next Purple Alphabet video.